In the second week of class we learned about how things in the class will go. We got familiar with Twitter, YouTube, and Buzzword. After we finished we started our intro to electricity. After we learned about it we started to experiment with light bulbs and batteries in circuit. This was the first week we learned things that would prepare us for our project. For the first hour of class on Monday we set up our own Twitter, YouTube, and Buzzword accounts. I posted my first tweet in class and I had a hard time remembering to do it 6 times that week. I made my first video that I uploaded onto YouTube for the first week of class. When we set up our buzzwords we decided what groups we will get into, and we linked the accounts for the first project. We then were told that we need to link all of our accounts back to our e-portfolio. We learned about batteries and light bulbs in circuit and what is required for them to light up. If you want to light a bulb you need to touch the contact wall and the base of the filament. My group and I are a little annoyed that David would not tell us why a round bulb and a long bulb will not work together, but I guess he is building suspense. We learned about how conductivity depends on the electron configuration. The last part of this class we learned about resistance and its formulas. The major thing that we learned in this week of class was parallel versus continuous circuits. Parallel circuits have a lower resistance because you are basically opening up more lanes for the electricity to flow through. We set up our castle kits so that we created a parallel and a series circuit and saw that in a parallel all bulbs still work even if one is removed. This week was the first week that we learned about how electricity works. We learned that all cells are 1.5 V. Also we learned that electricity is conserved and the battery basically supplies the push to get the electricity flowing. The light bulbs were entertaining, and I still don't know why long and brown don't work together. Right after I finish this essay I will be creating my podcast for my YouTube account.